Capital One deposit mystery solved. Ever stare at your phone, refreshing your Capital One app, willing that deposited check to magically appear in your account balance? You're not alone. Deposits can feel like they vanish into a financial black hole, leaving you wondering, did Capital One even receive it? Fear not, fellow account holder. This video will crack the code on how to confirm your deposit has reached its destination, Capital One. We'll explore different deposit methods and how to check their status, ensuring peace of mind and putting you back in control of your finances. So, let's dive in. There are several ways to deposit funds into your Capital One account, each with its own confirmation process. First up, the classic ATM deposits. The good news? Capital One boasts a massive ATM network. The even better news? Confirmation is nearly instant. After feeding your envelope and receiving your receipt, that little green light and confirmation message mean your deposit is on its way. Next, we have the champion of convenience, mobile deposits. Using the Capital One mobile app, you can snap a picture of your check and deposit it electronically. While it might feel like financial magic, it's actually quite secure. The app provides immediate confirmation that your deposit has been submitted. However, keep in mind, Capital One may place a hold on the funds for a few business days while they verify the check. Now, if you're all about that old-school charm, you might be a branch deposit kind of person. Walking into a Capital One branch and handing your check to a friendly teller is a perfectly valid option. In this case, you'll receive a deposit receipt as confirmation. Hold on to that receipt, it serves as your record of the transaction. But what if you're the forgetful type and can't remember how you made the deposit? No worries. Here's how to check the status of any deposit through your Capital One account. Online banking. Log into your Capital One account on your computer. Navigate to the specific account where you made the deposit. Look for the Transaction History section. This will display all your recent account activity, including deposits. Find the deposit you're looking for. It should be listed with the date, amount, and even a description, like mobile deposit. Mobile app. Open the Capital One mobile app. Log into your account. Select the account where you made the deposit. Tap on Activity or Transactions. Similar to online banking, you'll see a list of recent transactions. Locate your deposit and check the details for confirmation. Now, you might be wondering, how long will it take for my deposit to be available? The answer depends on the deposit method and the type of account you have. For ATM and branch deposits, the funds are typically available the next business day. However, mobile deposits often come with a waiting period. Capital One may hold the funds for several business days to verify the check. Remember, these are just general guidelines. It's always best to check Capital One's website or contact customer service for the most up-to-date information on deposit hold times for your specific account type. By following these steps, you can banish the mysteries surrounding your Capital One deposits. No more refreshing your app or staring at that receipt with crossed fingers. With a little know-how, you can confidently track your deposits and know exactly when your funds will be ready to use. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.